Morning done. Let's go. Mtwapa Bridge. Early light. Road still wet from the rain last night. Mtwapa Bridge, early light. Road still wet from the rain last night. Morning air, engines hum. Two wheels moving, here I come. County line, but the city flows. Same coast there, everybody knows. Grip stay steady, I stay front. Daytime ride, no stunt.
Yeah.
Ride.
Heading into Mtwapa. Rolling clean. Heading into Mtwapa. Morning scene. Heading into Mtwapa. Rolling clean. Heading into Mtwapa. Morning scene.
Off the bridge, streets open wide. Shops waking up on either side. Water drying on the tarmac. Life moving, that's a fact. Boda pace, smooth and calm. Sun climbing, no alarm. No rush hour, just the flow. Let the road decide the tempo.
Yeah.
Heading
into Mtwapa. Smooth ride. Heading into Mtwapa.
Smooth ride.
Daytime glide. Heading into Mtwapa. Smooth ride. Heading into Mtwapa. Daytime glide.
Town rolling in, signs go past. Morning moves, but nothing fast. Street side life, voices low. Another day, starting slow. No nightlife, no neon glow. Just daylight in the road I know. Two wheels talking, engine tone. Mtwapa ride, I'm in the zone.
Still rolling.
Mtwapa.
Heading into Mtwapa.
Ride.
Heading into Mtwapa.
Ride.
Heading into Mtwapa.
Ride.
Heading into Mtwapa.